Okay, the first place with me,
Pang Filipiniana bolero.
make this long. It's very, very long. Show you. Okay.
Graduation natin, no?
Oo.
Okay, this is very long.
Ganito, okay niya.
Magkano yun?
800.
Kita nyo siya. Kaya lang gusto nila nakatarik. Wala kayong mga nakatarik.
Yan na po yun. Ano siya?
See, it's very long. I'm gonna just so long.
Yan. Yung Filipiniana.
The fun for me is the
Yung
bubbles.
Magkaklara po po din.
You cannot do it like a slime, but you do can make it just like a melody.
Last
Saka parang hindi pa siya sa atin.
Stop!
one.
Oo.
Bye bye.